Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal so the airbag and power circuits are safe. This prevents accidental deployment or shorting. Next, remove visible screws at the armrest and along the door edge, then pull the switch pod, unplug connectors and set aside. Use a trim tool to pry the panel from the clips, working bottom to top. Lift the panel up and clear the door lip to expose the inner vapor barrier and hardware, so you can reach the latch and mirror bolts. Once the panel is off, peel back the vapor barrier just enough to access the latch and wiring. Keep the adhesive intact for later. You should unplug all door harness connectors, including power window and lock plugs, and detach the latch release rod from its clip so the door will open freely. Make sure the door is supported. Use a jack or helper, then remove the hinge bolts starting with the lower hinge to prevent tipping. Finally, unbolt the mirror mounting nuts, if removing mirror with door. With the door fully supported, remove the remaining hinge bolts and lift the door straight off the hinges. Keep hinge pins in order if present. When reinstalling, reconnect the harness and mirror, align hinge holes precisely, then tighten bolts evenly to prevent binding. This ensures proper latch engagement and window operation. If you get sag or misalignment, loosen hinge bolts slightly, insert or adjust shims, and retorque while checking gaps and latch operation. This fixes common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.